Hey everybody, today we're going to tie Walt's worm, or a version of it. I have a size 10 jig hook. I have a 3/8 sterling silver bead. Today I'm going to use red thread and put a hot spot at the top, and I'm going to use bronze peacock for my dubbing. And I'm going to use the Togens stained glass window tint as my flash wrap around the body. All right, so this is a pretty quick and easy fly here. Start with putting 6 or 8 wraps of some lead wire. This is lead-free wire, excuse me. All right, great. Okay, now we're gonna lay in a little thread as a base, and then to tie in our vinyl for our flash here. All right, got that tied in. Walk it down a little bit down the hook shank here. This is a pretty large Walt's worm with a size 10, I feel like. All right, so now we need to put on our little dubbing noodle here. Don't need much. We're trying to go for slight taper from the body to the tail to the head, I mean. All right, put a little more on because I like it puffy. Once I wrap the flashing around it, it kind of cuts down on the bugginess, and then the dubbing sort of sticks through, kind of makes it look, gives it some contour. All right, okay, perfect. All right, then I just want to do some even palmered wraps around the body here. Okay. All right, lock that in. Then all we really need to do is build up a little thread for a hot spot behind the bead here, and then trim up a little bit of this dubbing, trim it down, and I'll put a little bit of glue just to hold the thread, make it a little stronger, and that's about it. It's really simple. Alrighty, there we go, Walt's worm.